Hey everybody, and welcome to Keep Drawing. We're going to go ahead and start our minion by drawing the goggles first. So let's make this shape that looks like a sideways 8. Then you should draw a circle on each side for the eyes. And now you're ready to draw the outline of the minion's body. Sorry about that shaking. Just bring 2 lines down towards the bottom and then connect them underneath for a short oval shape. Now go back up and make the top of the minion's head with 1 short curved line. And add the straps for the goggles. I'm just going to color them in here really quickly as well. Because now you're just about ready for a really important step, which is the eyes. The eyes are what give the minions all their personality. And now we're getting ready to draw a circle within each circle, which will be the colored part of the minion's eyes. Once you've finished those, add 2 smaller circles inside. These are going to be the light reflecting off the eyes. And the next step is to draw the black pupils. Make sure that as you color them in, that you don't go over the reflections. And now for another really important part. We're going to draw the mouth right in the center of the minion's body. With a straight line at the top and a curved line underneath to form a smile. Next, draw the teeth. We're only going to draw teeth at the top of the mouth. And they're going to start a little bigger on the left side and then become gradually smaller as we move towards the other corner of the mouth. Next is the tongue. And now that the mouth is finished, we're going to draw a line going across the body right under the mouth, which is going to start the blue overalls. So draw this curved line on either side. And follow that with 2 more lines. Next, draw the straps on his overalls like this. And then add this pocket in the front. And he's looking a lot more like a minion now, so it's time to draw his arms. So let's draw 2 very skinny arms right about here, But before we draw the other one, let's add the glove with 3 fingers. Most cartoon characters have 4 fingers, but Minions always have 3. And now that I've finished those, it's time to add the tiny legs and feet underneath. And what you're about to see is that the legs are actually smaller than the hands. So make these curved lines to draw the legs that are really close together just underneath the body. And we're just about done with the drawing, so let's add these tiny boots. And maybe one last detail, some lines within the eyes. And then comes the last part of the drawing phase, which is coloring the inside of the mouth and the boots and the gloves black. And also adding a nice dark outline all the way around. So here's what our minion looks like once we finish drawing and inking in the black for all the areas that need to be darkened, the mouth, the boots, the hands, plus a nice dark outline that goes all the way around and makes our art stand out. Now let me show you the finished colored version right here. And for these colors, we have kind of like a sky blue or denim blue for the overalls. If you really look closely at this minion, I believe his name is Kevin. One eye's a little bit brownish and the other one is more green. And I think that's the way that character is meant to look if you see it closely. We have the red tongue and the black mouth for more contrast. And also for the yellow. The yellow really makes things, really makes it pop, really makes it stand out, especially when it's in contrast with the black and the big white eyes and the other colors. So I recommend finding the brightest yellow you can to color your minion. Well, that's how to draw and color a minion. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and see you for the next one.